Hello and welcome to my video of Electron Island. Learn to be an electrician. So here I use Twine to do a little bit of simulation, and I also have a PowerPoint that I'd like to share with you guys. So for Twine, I didn't get too crazy with the design. I did give one level. Basically, you're going to be given tasks to complete. Choose the correct answer about troubleshooting or electrical systems or electrical installation to complete those tasks. So we go to task 1. So a scenario, you have arrived at a building. That building would be in a virtual world, and it would actually kind of let you walk over to it maybe. And just to kind of start my slideshow here, so you go to the building and it would be electrons flowing and things like that. So I actually used the software that I worked with in another class to get some of these photos. So Electron Island would be kind of the theme here, and the storyline will give you an immersive experience on how to work within the electrical field. Okay, so I'll kind of give you that Halo, Call of Duty, maybe Warcraft kind of feel, but you'd be an electrician. So a little bit different. They all have the ability to give the gamer a sense of realism and ownership, so I'd want to try and do that. Maybe give you an avatar that you can create and design, similar to the way you can in this software. So some of the storyline is broken down here. And the couple people that I actually used, one was a friend who is an electrician. The other is my girlfriend, who does not know much about being an electrician. I gave them the PowerPoint rundown, and then I had them do the Twine simulation. So here you can see, really the audience that I'm targeting is all tradesmen or apprentices, also known as journeymen. Could also be students or other people interested in becoming a little bit better at electrical work. So you'd walk into, let's say, the sign factory, and the sign factory would have a scenario for you. Hey, our lights went out. What do you think we could do to fix it? Give you some of the information behind that. And then you'll go over to the aquarium, and maybe they have a problem with one of their pool filters or some of their pumps or features. Maybe they have a fountain that's not working. A little bit of an overview. The island would look something like this. So you can see my guy here is kind of flying around. You could build things. I was able to build that Ferris wheel using various shapes. Actually copy and pasted it from another island. Put things like this in to decorate it up a little bit, and then there's obviously a few buildings you can select from. So that's the PowerPoint on that. Back to the game simulation. So you'd be given a simulation here, and let's say you selected one outlet. So it'll tell you that you're wrong and ask you to go back to the task. Let's say 20 outlets. Well, that's probably too many. So you're wrong again. Go back to the task one more time. 8 outlets. Alright, so correct. Congratulations. You can move on to task 2 by selecting task 2 below. And then once you get to task 2, it just tells you that this game is in development. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to your feedback. Thanks.